How to add keyframe in CapCut PC. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily add keyframe on your video. So go ahead and open CapCut on your PC and then click on this create project button, and that will take you to CapCut. So on CapCut, you can go ahead and import your video by simply clicking on the import button from here. So you can go ahead and import a video from your local drive. You can also select a video from the library of CapCut and then drag it to your timeline. So select the video that you want to use, drag it to your timeline, and then click on the video. And then at the right side of your screen, you'll find the tools you can use to edit the video. So you'll basically find the keyframe button at the right side of transform at the top right of your screen under the video section. Click on it to add a keyframe and then add another keyframe by applying a zoom out to another part of the video, so that will automatically add a keyframe into that specific time. And then if you want to add more, you can go ahead and apply a zoom in to another part of your timeline to create a transition for the video. So you can go ahead and click on keyframe the top right to add a keyframe manually. You can also allow CapCut to add a keyframe automatically by applying a zoom in or zoom out after your first keyframe. So that is how you can basically add a keyframe on CapCut PC.